this one we're trying to find the limit as x goes to -8. We see that there is no superscript here, so that means we're looking at a two-sided limit. So to find the two-sided limit, we need to first figure out what the limit is as x goes to -8 from the left and from the right. All right, so let's start by looking at from the left. So if we look at from the left-hand side, we're going to cover up the right. And the idea is we say, okay, x is going towards -8. Then tracing our function, and again, we're tracing our function down to basically the edge of that sheet of paper. So at -8, we put the ledge, and then we're going in towards -8. This tells us we're going towards this open circle here. So that open circle corresponds to a y value of -6. So we would say the limit from the left is -6. When we look at the limit from the right, we will also find -6. Again, we'll cover up the left in this case when we're looking at from the right, and then say, okay, we're approaching -8 on the x-axis. Then our little function values are marching down towards this point right here, and that point corresponds to -6. So because the left-hand side, the right-hand side is both equal to -6, we can say that our two-sided limit is -6. Now, this question says that the two-sided limit as x goes to -8 is the same as f of -8. So to determine f of -8, remember that the filled-in circle is what you use to find f of something. Another way of thinking about this is that the filled-in circle will always win in comparison to an open circle. So when you look at -8 here, you see that at -8 you do have an open circle, but you also have this filled-in circle, and so that filled-in circle corresponds to a y value of -3. So f of -8 will actually be equal to -3. So what we're seeing here is that our limit was -6, our function value was -3, and so they are definitely not equal. So this would be a false statement.